Hi people, it's been amazing this evening. I'm right here in Start-Rite Schools, Abuja, Nigeria. It's been awesome. The last 15 minutes, I've met different women, men, boys, girls, guys. Everything is going hot here because you know what? Our year 6 students have done this movie, this great movie titled The Gods Are Not to Blame.
Get up, I said to them. And then they made me king.
You want to see it yourselves. I mean, in Start-Rite School, so we are big on ensuring that children learn all the necessary skills that they need to thrive in life. Aren't you excited?
We are!